This Girard-Perregaux Vintage 1945 is a new luxury watch from a company who has been an important part of the luxury watch community since 1791. With only 500 created, this modernly old-fashioned timepiece isn't going to be available for long. This piece features a stainless steel case, crown, bezel, and bracelet. The bezel is lined with sparkling original diamonds and surrounds a beautiful pink dial. The screwed-down stainless steel backplate features a skeleton window, providing a view of this watch's inner genius. An automatic movement powers the steel-toned hour and minute hands, the subsidiary seconds at 9 o'clock, and the date window between 1 and 2 o'clock. The hands point to diamond hour markers, with the exception of the large steel-toned numbers at 3, 6, and 12 o'clock. This is a dainty, yet dazzlingly durable timepiece. 300 watches. Infinite possibilities.